During the COVID pandemic, I would like to deliver lecture on SSC English class. I would like to discuss about the unforgettable history. Unit 1, Lesson 1. My brothers, the assembly has been called into session on the 25th March, but the blood spilled on our streets has not yet dried. About 10th of this month, I have told them Mujibur Rahman wouldn't join the round table conference because that would mean warding over the blood that has been shed. Although you have called the assembly into session, you will have to listen to my demands first. You will have to withdraw martial law. You will have to return all army personnel to their barracks. You will have to investigate the way our people have been murdered. And you will have to transfer power to the representatives of the people. It is only then that I will decide whether we will take our seats in the assembly or not. I don't want the Prime Minister's office. We want the people of this country to have their rights. I want to state clearly that from this day, Bangladesh's courts, magistracies, government offices, and educational institutions will be shut down indefinitely. So that the poor don't have to suffer, so that my people don't have to go through hardships. All other things will be exempted from the general strike from tomorrow. Rickshaws, horse carriages, trains, launches will be allowed to move. Only the Secretariat, the Supreme Court, The High Court, judges, court, and semi-government organization such as WAFDA will not be allowed to work. On the 28th, employees will go on to collect their salaries. If their salaries are not paid, if another bullet is fired, if my people are shot dead again, I request all of you convert every house into a fort. I repeat, convert every house into a fort. Do you understand the sentence? Confront the enemy with whatever you have, and even at the risk of your life. And even if I am not around to direct you, shut down all shops. And make sure that traffic on roads traffic on all roads and ports are brought to a standstill. If need be, we will starve to death, but we will go down striving for our rights. To those in the armed forces, I have this to say: you are my brothers. Stay in your barracks and no one will bother you. But don't try again to aim your bullets at our chests. You can't suppress 70 million people forever. Since we have earned, since we have learned to sacrifice ourselves, no one can suppress us anymore. And As for our martyrs and those who have been wounded, we in the Army League will do everything we can to assist them and their loved ones. If you have the means, please give what little you can to our relief committee, to owners of factories whose workers had participated in the general strike the last 7 days. I have this to say: make sure that they are paid wages for those days. To government employees, I have this to tell: you will have to listen to my directives till our country is liberated. Taxes and custom duties wouldn't be collected. No one will pay them either. Remember, the enemy is amidst us to create chaos and confusion. To create anarchy and to loot in our Bengal Hindus and Muslims. Bengalis, non-Bengalis are all brothers. We are responsible for their safety. Let us not taint ourselves in any way. Choose the correct answer from the alternatives. Dear students, I think you understand the given passage. Exempt refers to what? Number A, except. Number B, exterminate. Number C, release. Number D, annihilated. So, choose the correct answer from the 4 alternatives given here. You have to find out the meaning of the 4 words and try to choose from the 4 alternatives which is the best answer. Question number 2. Which one is close to assembly? Do you understand the word assembly? Four alternatives: gathering. Number A, gathering. B, assumption. C. Assimilation. Number D. Assertion. Which of the four alternatives will you choose for the word assembly? Try to choose it and answer the question. Question number 3. The passage deals with Bangabandhu's what? You have to fill the sentence. You have to fill up the sentence with the four alternatives given below here. Number A. Eagerness of independence. Number B. Hatred. Number C. Disregard for independence. Number D. Eagerness for name and fame. Do you understand? Try to find out the given four alternatives. Question number 4. The speech of Bangabandhu is memorable and has dash. You have to fill up the gap with the four alternatives. Number A. No significance. You see the word no significance. Number B. Little significance. Number C. Immense significance. Number D. Hardly any significance. Try to choose the word and fill up. Number 5. To a stand still refers to what? Four alternatives are number A. Regular movement. Number B. Deadlock. Number C. Progress rapidly. Number D. Advance slowly. Try to choose the word and fill up the gaps. If you understand the passage as a whole, try to guess the meaning, antonym, synonym, meaning. Question and answer activities. Answer the following questions. You should answer the questions to the point, concise and brief. The examiners try to speak with you through the questions given in the question paper. So, you are speaking with him with your answer asked in the questions paper. If you understand the above passage, so you can easily give answer to these questions. Question number 1. Why did Sheikh Mujibur Rahman struggle against the Pakistani rulers? Do you understand the question? You can easily answer the question. Question number B. Here you see each question contains 2 marks. Question number B. If need be, we will starve to death, but we will go down starving. If need be, we will starve to death, but we will go down striving for our rights. Here you see a quotation marks. What does the statement mean? Try to explain in your own words. Candidates' own words should be awarded full marks. Explain in brief. Question number C. What were the conditions Sheikh Mujibur Rahman gave to the Pakistani rulers before joining the Round Table Conference? Number D. What directions did people get from the speech of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman? And the last question, what was the aspect of the Pakistani rule? I think you better understand the question and answer it precisely. I hope all of you, dear students, I hope you all understand my lecture. Stay in touch with me, follow me. If you feel any problem, there seems to be no problem, and this is all for this class. Thank you for watching. Observe my next class.